Hey guys, it's Pauline. So this is another unboxing from the November drop. You know what? The unboxings I've done before are actually clearance items from a previous drop. So let's see if this actually is something from the November drop. So I'm kind of scared to... Oh, no, let's see. Nope. It's the trick-or-treat bucket. So I don't have anything that actually came from the November drop. And they had this so tight that I could have cut this had I not been super careful. All right. So I was mentioning in another video that I had bought this, and I didn't realize. I was trying so hard to hurry up and check out because it said that it was the last one. That I didn't realize that I had paid $10 in shipping for it, because I had gotten accustomed to free shipping from Coach. This is so cute. Now, what I'm gonna do with this, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen these like on LVB, that's her name, on her shelf behind her, and I've always coveted her having those. And I wanted this, but I was not gonna pay the regular price because I mean it's not made to use as a handbag. But I kind of was thinking maybe I could use it as a handbag. I guess you're really supposed to like put treats in it, but I think it's so cute. All right, and then if you're really bougie, you might have kids that would actually use this as a trick-or-treat pail, but that's an expensive pail. All right, so let's see. So this has got marked down to, I think this was $45, and then I had to pay $10 in shipping. Halloween pumpkin treat bucket. All right, and I'm gonna put this back in here. Oh, we get a dust bag with this one. I thought this was on the outlet side. This must have been on the retail side. But anyway, let's look at this. All right, so I like that it's printed on the back there. I really like this. It's super cute. So I'm so happy to have this. Because like I said, I've been envious of it forever. And so I got it, and now it's a good price, and I got a dust bag. But anyway, did any of y'all pick this up? Did you have to pay the $10 shipping? All right, so that's all I have today, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.